Renovations are exciting, new walls, fresh finishes, a totally transformed space. But with every dream upgrade comes an inevitable nightmare: the dust, the mess, and the cleanup. If you're living in your home during the renovation, you already know the struggle. And if you're prepping for a reno, take notes. This will save your sanity. Let's walk through how to stay clean during the chaos and how to deep clean your space once the work is finally done. Part 1. Keeping your home clean. During a renovation, first rule: clean as you go. It might feel like overkill to clean every day while construction is underway, but it's the smartest thing you can do. Removing debris and wiping down surfaces daily prevents dangerous buildup, and it's a lot easier than tackling weeks of dust at once. Dust is the main culprit here. Renovations aren't necessarily grimy, they're dusty. And it's the kind of dust that lingers in the air and coats every surface. If you're staying in your home while work is happening, it can seriously affect your air quality and health. To reduce the spread, set up plastic barriers between the work zone and the rest of the house. Tape up vents and ducts, and vacuum daily with a heavy-duty machine designed to trap fine particles. Part 2. Protecting air quality. It's easy to overlook, but air quality during renovations is crucial, especially for kids, pets, and anyone with allergies. Fine dust can stay airborne for days. And beyond what you can see, there are also invisible toxins, off-gassing from paints, flooring, and adhesives. That's why investing in a high-quality air purifier is worth it. Keep one running in the renovation area and another in your main living space. This extra step makes a massive difference in comfort and long-term health. Part 3. Post-renovation cleaning. All right, the tools are packed, the trades are gone, and now it's your turn. Start by clearing all the leftovers: plastic sheeting, packaging, paint cans, scrap materials, and anything else that's cluttering the space. Now it's time for the dust. Spoiler alert, there's going to be a lot of it. Dust travels and settles on every single horizontal surface. That includes spots you never think about: door frames, window tracks, vents, shelves, the tops of cabinets, and every little groove in your baseboards. Start by dry dusting. This helps lift construction dust without smearing it. Use a microfiber cloth, not a paper towel, to grab that fine powder. Once dry dusting is done, go back with a gentle all-purpose cleaner and a damp cloth to catch any residue. Don't forget vertical surfaces either. Your walls, windows, door panels, and even light switches have likely caught a layer of dust too. Use the same two-step process. Dry dust first, then wipe with moisture. Part 4. Floors, filters, and finishing touches. When it comes to floors, vacuum first, ideally with a vacuum that can trap microparticles. Follow with a damp mop for hard surfaces, and consider a deep clean if you've got carpets or rugs. But don't stop there. Your HVAC system has been running the entire time, probably pulling in all that airborne dust. Replace your furnace filters immediately. And if you can, get your ducts cleaned. It's one of the most overlooked steps, but it makes a big difference in keeping your newly cleaned home feeling fresh. Final thoughts. Living through a renovation is tough, but cleaning doesn't have to be. With a little daily effort during the project and a solid strategy afterward, you can protect your home, your health, and your sanity. So take a breath, grab your microfiber cloth, and get ready to enjoy your beautiful, dust-free new space.